Hey, welcome to aromaG's, y'all. My name's Khan. I'm an eclectic pagan, so that means I work with multiple different pantheons, but I guess you could say my more base one is Norse paganism, so there's that. But moving on, there are a couple books I like to recommend to anyone who's more interested in following a more, let's say, ancient and elemental path, if you will. Um, we have Loki and Sigyn. They're a very good book for any Norse practitioner out there that's just kind of getting their feet wet into everything and wants to have a good coverall basic understanding of all the myths and stories and some practices that are now associated to modern Norse paganism. So it's a really good book for any beginner out there. Then I also recommend this is just something here. Reading about the myths and the stories associated to a certain practice is a good way to get interested and more cemented. And then the last one, and personally for me, this one's kind of hits home because as a person who will willingly go out, look for bones, clean the bones, and work with the bones, and kind of didn't know what to do from there. This book really kind of gave me a good foothold on how to work with more of the darker and more macabre things in life. Again, my name's Khan, and hope to see you here out in aromaG sometime.